Okay, so it stopped raining. Sun's starting to break through. I actually got bit on the side of the leg here the other day. I was about this distance away. So this is their flight path. I've got my veil on, I got my smoker. And let's give them a treatment of this oxalic acid. So a little over a minute has passed. I was wondering at any given time what percentage of the bees are outside the hive. It's already backed up pretty good. Probably, I don't know, 50 bees right there. Yeah, I see some smoke. You can see vapor coming out. I don't know if the camera can pick that up. You can see there on the right, a little vapor coming out. So I'm past the 2-minute mark. I'll let it go until 2 minutes 50 seconds. This has got to take out some bees though. Hopefully when it starts to warm up they move away from that. My smoker went out. Everything's wet. All the pine needles are damp. Well, that's it. Let me go turn it off. And the last thing, I've got some sugar water here. They're almost taking, I think they're taking about 2 quarts a day now, within like a 24-hour period. So I just replaced one already. So this is New England Gardening with my first treatment of oxalic acid to help control the Varroa Mite. I don't know why I want to put an L in there all the time. Varroa Mite. They're really going after that patty there. Thanks for watching. Varroa. I think I got it right that time. Varroa.